Hi guys, today I've got a ridiculously easy low bun hack for you. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I've popped the hair into a mid-height ponytail. Now I'm just going to divide the ponytail into 4 equal sections, and then on the end of each of those sections, about 4 inches from the end, I'm just going to pop a clear elastic band. Now we're going to make a big hole above the elastic band to the top of the ponytail, and then we're just going to poke our hands through, grab the ends and flip it through 3 times to create a twist. And we're going to repeat the same steps on the other 3 sections. Apply some texture spray all over those twisted sections. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each one of those twists to give it more volume. Just repeat it on all 4 sections. Now, taking the 2 on the left hand side, I'm just going to twist these around one another to create one big twist. And I'm simply going to hold on to the ends, bring it up and over the ponytail elastic band to the right hand side, and then wrap it round, and then just make sure you tuck your ends underneath. Then secure to the head all the way around with a few bobby pins. Take the other 2 sections and again wrap them around each other to create one big twist. But this time we're going to go up and over from the right hand side, taking it over the top towards the left hand side, again tucking your ends underneath and securing with bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.